Hello Kellyanne, my name is Angel here in Audi VW in Fall River, and I just want to take some time to show you the vehicle you are currently looking at, and that is the 2023 Audi Q5. Let's dive right into it. All right, Kellyanne, and here you see your 2023 Audi Q5 S-Line 45 TFSI Quattro. As you can see, you get these beautiful headlamps in the front. They are LED high beams, LED low beams. You have your 4 Audi rings right in the front. And also what I do like about it, if you see where the fog lights are, you actually have the sensors hidden right in there, and right on the other side, nicely well hidden for everybody to kind of just mask the front. If you come over here towards the side, you are gonna see these beautiful Audi design 19-inch wheels with all-season tires. Love it. You have a S-Line badging right here on the side, and if you come a little further, you will see you do have keyless entry, so like a little pad on every single doorknob. If you put your finger there, it'll lock it. You put your hand in the handle, it will unlock the door and open it for you. Let's move right along towards the back. As you see, gas tank right on this side, you push it in, comes right out. And let's get to the rear of this vehicle. Check that out, beautiful. You see your Audi rings there, Q5, letting you know it is Quattro, so you got the best all-wheel drive design from a vehicle. As you can see, touch it, you got power lift gate, and I just want to come over here and show you a couple things. You do get your regular mats over here. We're recording here. So you do get your also your monster mats as well, your all-season mats, and you get a nice cargo liner as well. Love that. In the bottom over here, I just want to show you, you do get your inflated spare back here with your tools. Let me close that right back up. Rear seat, and you get your privacy cover over here. Love it. You can actually take it off if you need more space. And the seats, they actually fold down. You got that 60-40 split. I love it. Let's hit this button. I want to show you one thing over here. You have 2 different buttons, so don't get confused. One is just to close the power lift gate. The other one is to close it and lock it as well. Let's do that. Let's just close it for now. And I want to get right over here and show you the rear cabin of this vehicle. As you can see, check it out, black leather interior, white stitching going all the way around. I'm gonna come over here so you can see how comfortable and how much space there is over here between me and the person in front. A lot of space. You do have armrest over here with some cup holders if you do need it. It's always good to have cup holders in your vehicle. You have some as well in the door. You can control your own temperature back here. You got 2 charging ports for USB-C. This car has everything you need. And now let's go to the front of the vehicle and show you what that looks like. All right, Kellyanne, and here we are in the front cabin of the 2023 Audi Q5, and I just want to go over a couple things. The good thing about these mirrors, they are heated and power folded mirrors as well. Okay, you have your lock buttons over here, and you have 2 settings to be able to memory set your seats as well. Always great to have. Behind the steering wheel over here, you do have your lighting functionality. You can just set it on auto, don't have to worry about it as well. You do get automatic high beams with this vehicle. That's one thing I do like about this vehicle. Now we'll move over here. As you see, you got this leather wrapped steering wheel, very nice. You got some sort of stitching in the inside. I love it, it just feels great. Have a few buttons. On the left, you have a view button that controls the display in here. If you hit that button, you can actually go to the side, show you different functionalities on there as well. You have a dial over here that will go down. Let's say if you're listening to music, you can scroll down and go right through every preset. Love that. I do like the fact that you do get your original clusters on here as well. You do get heated steering wheel. Love that, love that, love that. Got your button to pick up the phone, voice command, and you got your volume over here. You'll see this beautiful display that you have here, all touchscreen. Let me exit that out. If you see over here on the side, you kind of have your guide depending on what you want to do. You got home, you got satellite radio. If you want to connect your phone, you listen to music from your phone over here. Right here, so you can access your phone. Everything is touchscreen, like I said. I do love that. If you come a little further down, right in between the vents over here, you do have your hazard lights. Right here in the middle, you do have your comfort zone with heated seats, dual climate control. Actually, tri-zone. The back can control their own temperature as well. Drive select over here. You push down the button, and it will actually display it right on top on the screen over here, as you can see on your infotainment system. You can go, let me hit that again so you can take a good look at it. You can go through your different drive modes. You got dynamic, auto, comfort, off-road. You do have your auto stop start button. That's where it's at. If the light is on, it means the functionality is off. If you turn the light, you turn it on, the light is off, that means that it is engaged. You do have your traction control over here. You can turn off that traction control. You have your parking sensors, and when I push that, you can see the camera. Take a look at that. And if you do turn the wheel, you have the trajectory, which follows you, helps you guide you when you're parking your vehicle. Love that. It is nice and easy to control as well. Let me just turn that off. And then you have hill descent, and you can turn off the screen right over here with this button. If you come a little further up, you'll see how the display will turn off. You have your USB port and your V12 right over here as well. Another thing over here, this is where I usually place keys, but you have another little compartment area over here with that rubber mat in there. You have your volume over here. You have your shifter, nice and comfortable shifter over here. And now they do have a button to put it in park with electronic parking brake. Love that. And then I just want you to take a look at these seats and how great they look. Just that black leather with that white stitching going all the way around, and you also get some black stitching right here in the middle. It's just, the styling is great. It looks a little bougie. I love it. And now I just wanted you to see right here in the door panel where I was talking about that wood grain, how it goes all the way around. It's actually on every single door panel. I love that. You do get right over here a auto dimming mirror with the little compass right over there, and you have all your different button and functionalities over here. Sunroof, and for your shade as well over here, 2 separate buttons. You do have your SOS button for any emergency that you need, and you also have if you need roadside assistance, you have the button there as well. All right, Carrie Ann, there you have it. Thank you for joining me and watching this video on the 2023 Audi Q5. Like I said, this vehicle is still available, waiting. If you guys want it, please give me a call. The number here is 508-678-5555. And great thing is, we do have other color options if you're looking for different colors as well. Please, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Angel Diaz, Audi 4 River. Have a great day.